Choosing a right face cream for your baby can be overwhelming with so many options available. As a mom who tried countless baby skincare products over last 6 years, I know how important it is to find a cream that is safe, gentle and effective. That's why I'm here, and today I will be comparing 4 popular baby care creams available in India on the basis of their ingredients, the texture, the effectiveness and how well they work for all skin types. And to make it more fun, my little one Amira will pick her favorite and why she loved that the most. Let's get started. The very first one we have here is this from Aveeno. It's their daily moisture hydrating facial gel. You guys know how much I love Aveeno baby products since last 4-5 years now, and I have shown you multiple empties of Aveeno products, be it their body wash, be it their lotions or the moisturizing cream. As soon as I found that they have come up with this newest launch, I immediately grabbed it from Nykaa. Now let's see how this perform and whether this live up to the hype or not. Now this contain power of oats, जिसमें आपको oat kernel flour, oat kernel oil and oat kernel extract मिलता है, which is very soothing for your baby's sensitive skin. This also contain bunch of humectants including glycerin and some glycols, which will keep the skin hydrated all day long. It's also got vitamin E, which will help to lock in the moisture and reduce the dryness in your baby's skin. Also protect the skin from cell damage and it softens the skin. But what I absolutely love about this moisturizer is the texture of this one. It has this beautiful jelly cream consistency. It's like 60 to 70% water and 30% cream, which means you get a burst of hydration without any heaviness. Another thing I love is that you need the tiniest amount of this one, not even a pea size amount. Just a little bit is enough for your baby's face and neck because it's spread effortlessly, absorb instantly and feels super lightweight. No stickiness, no greasiness and most importantly no sweaty feeling. Personally, I love this moisturizer because Amira doesn't prefer thick and heavy moisturizer, because जब भी मैं उसको कोई और moisturizer लगाती थी, she was like, मम्मा बड़ी गर्मी लगती है, इससे please ये मत लगाया करो. When I tested this on her face, she was the happiest one because she was like, oh, this is very ठंडा और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और sweaty भी नहीं feel हो रहा. If your baby dislike the heavy thick textures, I think this one is going to be perfect for them. But it's not just that. This moisturizer keeps the skin hydrated for all day long. I applied this moisturizer on Amira at 8:30 AM before school, and even after 5 hours when she came back and washed her face, her skin still looked well hydrated. I didn't feel the need to reapply it, which makes it great for all day moisture. Here is another plus, that this brand is highly recommended by the dermatologist and for a good reason. On the top, this one is fragrance free, which is very rare to find. Like most of the all baby care products have fragrance in it, and I am not a fan of fragrance, especially in the baby care products and especially the leave-in products, because you see when a baby is born, the skin is very delicate, the acid mantle, the barrier is not yet developed, and you need to provide something which keeps the skin barrier intact and keep the skin protected from the environmental stresses. Another best part of this moisturizer is that this one is suitable for even eczema and rosacea prone skin. I think Aveeno has nailed this formulation. We personally love this moisturizer. Have you tried this one out? Let me know in the comments, and would you love to try this? Moving on to the second product, which is this Baby Sebamed Protective Facial Cream. Now again, I have finished multiple tubs of this on Amira and even on Arjun. This one got panthenol and a moisturizing complex with allantoin, which will help to protect against dryness and helps to soothe the skin. This got bunch of fatty alcohols on the top of the ingredient list. This also contain glycerin, vitamin E and squalane, apart from the panthenol and allantoin, which are very soothing and great for the sensitive delicate skin. But this contain perfume, which I'm not a fan of, though इसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा strong perfume नहीं है, but definitely perfume is there in the formulation. And the texture of this one is creamy. It's not at all a thick and heavy moisturizer, but it definitely takes time, and sometimes it might feel heavy and sweaty. until or unless the skin is super dry, and this will be perfect. Another thing here is this one tub would hardly last you for 1 month, not more than that. But in case of Aveeno, you need just a tiniest amount and little goes a long way. So that tub will last you for longer than this moisturizer. In terms of value for money, I feel Aveeno will be more economical. That's been said, but I still love this moisturizer. And once I'm done with this, I'm planning to switch to Aveeno for Arjun as well. But if you're considering this one, it is a beautiful moisturizer that works well. Moving on to the third option, which is this Mamaearth Coco Soft Face Cream for babies. This contains coconut milk and turmeric. This got some of the moisturizing ingredients, some fatty alcohols are there. Also got glycerin here. Also contain shea butter, which I am not a fan of, but which is like fine, it's great hydrator. Then this contain coconut milk extract, panthenol is also there. Also contain coconut oil in this one. We got turmeric extract, allantoin, vitamin E, sunflower seed oil. Lastly, we have a allergen free fragrance. So this formulation is good, but I won't suggest this one for the newborn babies because they have a very delicate skin and you don't even know what skin type your baby is going to have. इसमें turmeric भी है that can be reactive, इसके अंदर oils भी डले हुए हैं, so you don't know कौन सी चीज़ react कर जाएगी. So this time when your baby is just newly born, you need something which is soothing, calming and helps to protect the skin barrier. हमें brightening नहीं चाहिए baby के लिए. We don't need that extra, you know, कि heaviness नहीं चाहिए फेस पे कि उसके रेडनेस हो जाए, दाने हो जाए. सो आई थिंक वंस योर बेबी इज 2 to 3 years के ऊपर हो गया है एंड व्हेन यू नो कि हाँ ये मेरे बच्चे का स्किन टाइप है, देन यू कैन गो फॉर दिस वन. आई फील दिस वन इज इकोनॉमिकल बट डेफिनेटली नॉट द बेस्ट चॉइस फॉर योर न्यू बॉर्न बेबी एंड स्पेशली babies who have a very sensitive skin. Texture of this one is gel creme consistency. Feels light, but and when you start massaging it on the skin, it gets slightly thicker in consistency. Amira ने इसको I think 3 साल पहले यूज किया था एंड इट वॉज फाइन फॉर द विंटर्स, बट समर्स के टाइम पे तो डेफिनेटली नहीं. बट मैंने भी इसको आफ्टर 3.5 years ट्राई किया था. आई वाज लाइक कि अगर ये काम कर गई तो वाई नॉट, लाइक सस्ती भी है. बट एक बार ट्राई करने के बाद आई अगेन स्विच बैक टू Aveeno. यू गाइज नो आई वाज यूजिंग द Aveeno मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम फॉर हर एंड जब यू नो समर्स आती थी तो आई यूज टू स्विच टू Aveeno लोशन. बट थैंकफुली नाउ दे हैव दिस facial gel cream which is dedicatedly specifically formulated for the face. This one is also good but not for the newborn babies. You can use this one once your baby is 3 to 4 years ka age. Lastly, we have this Cetaphil Baby Advanced Protection Cream with Organic Calendula. It's got organic calendula, shea butter and pro vitamin B5. Say this is gently formulated for daily use for sensitive skin. Now this one contains glycerin on the top and we got sunflower seed oil. We also got panthenol here. Shea butter is again in the formulation. We have allantoin, which is great, soothing. We got calendula, some humectants, and lastly we have glycine soja oil and vitamin E. Last point here is that this one is fragrance free. Texture of this one is a gel cream like, but I would say this is 70% cream and 30% water, which feels slightly tacky once you apply, but it takes time to fully absorb into the skin. Like immediate absorption इसके साथ नहीं है, but still I have loved this formulation only and only because it's a fragrance free formula. It's a beautiful moisturizer, but again I would still prefer the Aveeno gel creme. Now let's go to Amira and ask her which one she loves the most and why. Okay Amira, I have a game for you. आपने ये चारों क्रीम्स ट्राई करे हैं, आपने मुझे बताना है कि इसमें से आपको बेस्ट कौन सा लगा और क्यों. ओके क्यों?
क्योंकि ये जेली जैसा है और ये बहुत ज़्यादा थिक भी नहीं है, इससे मुझे पसीना नहीं आता और बाकी क्रीम से ना मुझे पसीना आता है.
ओके थैंक यू. No surprise here, Amira loved this Aveeno gel moisturizer and for good reasons, and we have a clear winner. Let me know in the comments which one you have tried already and which one you would love to try for your babies, and tell me which other baby care products you want me to compare next. I provided the links of all these moisturizer in the description box. Choose according to your baby's skin type and the age. I hope this was helpful. If it is, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe and press the bell button so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. I'm going to see you in my next. Until then, take care.